Now, the second quarter earnings season gets underway today with IT giant TCS set to report its second quarter numbers. Reema is here to give us a quick preview. Reema.
Thanks so much for that. So revenue growth is expected to be steady for TCS this time. So constant currency revenue growth of about 3.4%, similar to Q1, though in dollar revenue growth will look a lot lower at 1.3%, and that's on account of cross-currency headwinds. For TCS, there will be margin expansion. We typically see margin expansion in Q2 because it comes off a low base in Q1, which were depressed on account of wage hikes. So margins, according to our poll, at 23.8%, an expansion of 70 basis points. And this margin expansion, coupled with the top-line growth, will drive about an 8% growth in the company's profitability. Well, TCS does not give you an annual guidance on revenues as well as margins. So what's going to be key? Key is going to be commentary. And in that, this time at least, the management did tell us that Q4 margins, Q4 FY23 margins will expand to 25%. This compares with 23.1% in Q1. So the management did indicate that Q1 margins were depressed. They will expand. So does the company hold on to that margin guidance? In terms of demand, watch for commentary surrounding UK as well as Europe, because TCS roughly gets close to about 30% of its revenues from these two geographies where we know the demand is slowing down, the economy is under pressure. Is that something which is going to start to hurt? But TCS, being the first of the IT companies, reporting its numbers, it will be a bellwether. It will set the tone for the rest of the IT sector. And in that context, what the street is going to be watching out for, FY24, any indications about revenue or margin pressures for the next year in terms of client budgets, in terms of hiring, deal wins, all that is going to be very crucial. But we'll get more clarity from, the management. They will be addressing the press conference at 5:30 p.m. So tune in for that. Back to you.
Hey, thanks a lot for that. In any case, the stock has been under a lot of pressure. It's down almost 19% in 2022. Has been a really rough ride for TCS. But let's do one thing. Let's slip into a quick break. On the other side, a special segment, it's the economy. Lata will connect with Chetan Iyer, the Chief Asia Economist at Morgan Stanley, to discuss the global macro cues. Do stay tuned in for that.